Assalamu alaikum to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to take the rest of the concepts of production possibility करो. Production possibility करो. Production possibility करो. And I already discussed what we call production possibility curve. But few concepts remain which I am going to discuss. First one, change of resources. Change of resources. For example, if change takes place, if resources are changed, be it increased or decreased, I will write here increased or decreased. What will happen to production possibility curve? What will be the production possibility curve? What will happen to production possibility curve? As we have two goods, I will write here X and Y. If resource has been increased for both the goods, I will write first if resources has been increased for both the goods, both the goods, what will happen to production possibility curve? Production possibility curve, as I already discussed this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is 0. This is a production possibility curve. For example, wheat and rice. Wheat, rice, wheat and rice. For example, if resource of both wheat and rice has been increased, what will happen to this production possibility curve? If resource has been increased for both the wheat and rice, then production possibility curve will shift outward and shift rightwards. Production possibility curve will shift rightwards. This we call rightwards. Rightwards. Rightward shift of PPC. Why? Because for both wheat and rice, resource has been increased. For example, 20 to 30. Here, 30 to 40. Meaning twin sides, both axes and y-axis, due to increasing resources, production has been increased from 20 to 30. Here, 30 to 40. But on the same production possibility curve, if resources are decreased for both producing x and y, then production possibility curve will shift downwards, just like this. It will shift leftwards. This we call leftwards. Leftwards. Now we have to keep this thing in mind. When resources changed, when resources are increased for both x and y, means both wheat and rice. Here we can add wheat Here we can write rice. Resources are equal for both wheat and rice. Then uh, production possibility curve will shift rightwards. But when resources are decreased for both wheat and rice, then this curve will shift leftwards. For example, 20 to 10. Here it will be 30 to 20. If twin sides both x-axis resource has been declined for rice, and similarly for wheat resource has been declined. Another concept, change in technology. Change in technology. Change in technology. Second one, change in technology. For example, I will write down, if technology is utilized only to produce only to produce rice, what will happen to PPC? Similarly, if technology is utilized only to produce wheat, what will happen to PPC? In first case, I will write A for understanding purpose, B. For A, condition of A, if technology is utilized only to produce rice, then what will happen to PPC? It's simple. X, this is Y, this is wheat, this is rice. This is wheat, this is rice. This is PPC, which we are already drawing. Now, we have to know what will happen if technology is utilized only to produce rice. Nothing has been produced to quantity of wheat. Then PPC will rotate towards rice, as we are utilizing technology for only to produce quantity of rice. Efficient technology to produce quantity of rice means production of rice has been increased. For example, from 10 to 20 units. हम लिख सकते हैं 20 units. Similarly, if technology is utilized for only to produce quantity of wheat, this X, this Y, this is 0. Here is wheat, here is rice. This is simple PPC. When resource means technology is utilized only to produce quantity of wheat, as rice we have shown, then this PPC curve will rotate towards wheat. This will show only production of wheat has been increased. Nothing of rice has been increased. These were the 4 cases which I discussed today. There are one more cases, growth of resources, that I will take in next lecture. Till that time, hope for the best. Take care. Thanks. Have a nice day.